Maine Accessibility Corporation is a business that specializes in helping people get around their home or office, multiple levels. We do ramps and stairway chair lifts, vertical lifts, home elevators. We help people move throughout their home with the use of modern day technology. We install stairway chair lifts from Fort Kent to Kittery every single day on straight stairways and curved stairways, both residential and commercial, churches, clubs, private organizations, schools, doctor's offices, you name it. We do a lot of stairway chair lifts. One of the other things that we do a fair amount of are home elevators, and we do those a lot down on the coast, Bar Harbor, Camden, Rockland, Portland.
We're local, we go statewide, and we respond to every phone call. What our customers should expect from us is prompt, courteous, knowledgeable service. We usually can get somebody up and running the day we go out.
It's a great feeling to be out in your community, whether we are up in Fort Kent or whether we're down in Portland, and run into somebody that will see our truck. There's a sense of pride because they're happy to see us, and they come and they greet us when we're out and about in the community.
We're a local company and we care. We're here to help. We don't sell anything over the phone. We come to your house, we'll take a look at your situation and try to help you out, and we'll be honest with you. If we can help you, then we will. If we can't, then we'll tell you that.
I love my job because it gives me an opportunity to help people and to make sure that they have what they need, and that is so gratifying. We reach so many people, and we do take pride in how they feel, and we do take pride in our equipment. We make sure that they walk away with a very happy experience.
The number one reason why people should choose Maine Accessibility is that we're local. We're here, we live in Maine, we all work here, and we care. We're here to help. If there's something we can do for you, we'd love to come out and see you and help you if we can.